You want to start your dropshipping journey, but you're not sure where to find reliable products and suppliers. Are you? You've probably heard of Spocket, a fantastic platform that connects you with high-quality products from suppliers primarily based in the US and Europe. But knowing about Spocket and actually using it to place your first order are two different things, right? Today, we're going to bridge that gap. We're diving deep into the step-by-step process of placing your very first order on Spocket. This isn't just about clicking buttons. It's about understanding the nuances, avoiding common pitfalls, and setting yourself up for success in your dropshipping business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your operations, this guide will equip you with everything you need to confidently make that crucial first purchase. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to sign up for a Spocket account. Head over to the Spocket website and click on the Sign Up or Get Started Free button. You can often sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to connect your e-commerce store. Spocket seamlessly integrates with major platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and BigCommerce. Choose your platform and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This is a crucial step as it allows Spocket to automatically fulfill orders and sync product information with your store. With your store connected, it's time for the exciting part: finding products. On your Spocket dashboard, you'll see a Search or Products tab. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with a vast catalog of products. Now, this is where your strategic thinking comes into play. You can search by keywords, categories, price range, shipping location, and even premium suppliers. Take your time, browse. Look for products that align with your niche and target audience. Pay close attention to product images, descriptions, and supplier ratings. High-quality images and detailed descriptions are essential for attracting customers to your store. When you find a product that piques your interest, click on it to view its detailed page. Here, you'll find all the vital information: the retail price, your discounted Spocket price, which is your profit margin, estimated shipping times, shipping costs, and a comprehensive product description. This is also where you'll see the supplier's return policy. This information is critical for managing customer expectations and ensuring a smooth dropshipping operation. Remember, fast shipping and clear return policies are major selling points for your customers. Now, let's say you've found the perfect product and you're ready to add it to your store. On the product details page, you'll see a button like Add to Import List or Add to Store. Clicking this will import the product directly into your e-commerce store. Once imported, you'll want to go to your store's product section and review the imported item. This is your chance to customize the product further. You can edit the title to make it more SEO-friendly, rewrite the description to reflect your brand's voice, add or remove product images, and even adjust the pricing to ensure a healthy profit margin. Remember, you have complete control over how the product appears on your storefront. All right, the product is in your store, and hopefully, you've made some sales. Now, how do you actually place the order with Spocket's supplier? When a customer places an order on your e-commerce store, Spocket will automatically notify you. On your Spocket dashboard, navigate to the Orders tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your pending orders. Each order will display the customer's information, the ordered products, and the order status. To fulfill an order, simply click on the specific order you want to process. You'll then see a Checkout or Place Order button. Clicking this will take you to the order confirmation page. Double-check all the details: the customer's shipping address, the ordered products, and the total cost. This is your last chance to catch any errors before the order is sent to the supplier. You'll also see the total amount that will be charged to your Spocket account for the product and shipping. Before confirming, ensure you have sufficient funds or a valid payment method linked to your Spocket account. Spocket typically charges your linked payment method for the product cost and shipping fees. Once you're satisfied with all the details, click Place Order or Confirm Order. And just like that, your order is placed with the Spocket supplier. You'll receive an order confirmation, and the supplier will begin processing and shipping the product directly to your customer. You'll be able to track the order's progress right from your Spocket dashboard. Under the Orders tab, you'll see the tracking number once it becomes available from the supplier. It's good practice to communicate this tracking information to your customer as well, keeping them informed and enhancing their shopping experience. There are a few important tips to keep in mind for a smooth first order and beyond. Firstly, always test order a product yourself. This allows you to experience the customer journey firsthand, assess the product quality, and verify shipping times. Secondly, pay close attention to supplier ratings and reviews. High-rated suppliers are generally more reliable and offer better service. Thirdly, understand the shipping policies. Spocket primarily works with US and EU suppliers, which generally means faster shipping times, but always verify the estimated delivery for each product. Finally, customer service is key. If you encounter any issues, Spocket has a responsive support team that can assist you. Placing your first order on Spocket might seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a dropshipping pro. Remember, consistency and attention to detail are paramount. The more you use the platform, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.